Are you ready to unlock the secrets of making money online in 2023? From freelancing in just about any profession to being an AI content creator, get ready for the ultimate guide of proven strategies and tips for earning serious cash from the comfort of your own home. First up, we've got online freelancing. I'm talking about earning upwards of $100,000 a year, maybe even more. In fact, over 42% of freelancers make $50,000 or more annually. That's some serious money right there. With the remote work revolution in full swing, brands are turning to freelancers to reduce overhead costs and achieve their targets without the hassle of hiring full-time employees. It's a win-win situation for both parties. And the best part is, freelance work is available in just about any profession you can think of. Whether you're a web designer, a graphic designer, or content creator, there's a place for you in the freelance ecosystem. So how do you get started with freelancing? Well, it's simple. The easiest way to jumpstart your freelance career and earn money online is to register on one of the many freelance job platforms available. Now let's talk about a tried and tested way of making money online: affiliate marketing. You promote someone else's product or service using a custom URL, and for every sale or lead that you refer, you earn a commission. It's like getting paid for being a brand ambassador. The beauty of affiliate marketing is that you can earn passive income by promoting products in evergreen content like blog posts, social media posts, and email campaigns. It's all about finding products that resonate with your audience. The key to being a successful affiliate marketer is building a large audience and attracting lots of traffic. The more engaged your audience is, the more clicks and commissions you'll receive. So if you're looking to get started, try using an affiliate marketing network to ramp up your earnings. These networks bring together businesses from various industries, making it easy for you to promote their products, track your performance, and get paid on time. It's all about maximizing your potential. Alright, here's a fun way to make money online. Get paid to take surveys, write reviews, and even test apps. It may not sound as glamorous as starting an online business or becoming an influencer, but hey, it's a great way to earn some extra cash. Businesses are always hungry for data, and they're willing to pay for it. You can sign up on online platforms where you can take surveys for money. Your opinions matter, and they're worth something. And if you enjoy writing, you can get paid to write product reviews. Imagine getting paid to share your thoughts and opinions on different products. And let's not forget about testing apps. Every app or website needs to be tested before it hits the market. Some platforms will allow you to sign up and make money online by providing valuable feedback on these apps. It's like being a tech detective. With AI becoming an important part of our daily lives, it's time to find ways to leverage it to the best of your abilities. AI is very useful for a job like content creation. In the era of Instagram and YouTube Shorts, everyone's becoming a content creator. And guess what? You can earn money from it too. Whether it's creating reels, memes, or informative videos, people are getting out there and earning their due. And here's a little secret. Many content creators and marketers are using AI tools like Copy.ai, Peppertype, and our favorite ChatGPT to produce engaging content ideas. AI is your creative sidekick. This type of content creation using automated posts can be a game changer for growing your fan following and earning money. With the help of AI writing tools, you can generate thousands of posts and blogs in less time. It's all about efficiency and quality. And who doesn't love beautiful artwork? Well, did you know that you can sell your digital artwork online? Whether it's illustrations, designs, or even writing and selling comic books, there's a market for it. Collaborate with different brands or sell your artwork directly to customers through platforms like Amazon or Etsy. Don't let your intermediaries gobble up all your hard-earned money. Be the artist and the entrepreneur. And here's a fun fact. You can even use AI tools to create amazing art. Platforms like Canva integrate AI into their graphic design platform, making it easier than ever to create stunning pieces. It's like having an art assistant by your side. So whether you're selling your art to home decor brands, furniture brands, or creating your own niche market, the possibilities are endless. And it's time to turn your creativity into profit. Speaking of profit, online marketplaces are like launchpads for successful brands. They come with built-in audiences that are actively seeking specific products. Take Etsy for example. It's the go-to source for buyers looking for handmade and vintage items. And let's not forget Amazon, the global destination for product discovery and research. It's a gold mine. The beauty of selling on online marketplace is that you can get up and running quickly. There's less pressure on you as a seller to drive your own traffic and build a brand from scratch. It's all about leveraging the existing audience and making sales. But here's a pro tip to level up your online business. Consider building your own store. You can even sell products on both Etsy and Shopify, syncing your inventory seamlessly with an app like Etsy Marketplace integration. It's like having your own little empire. It's quick and straightforward, so you can start making money in no time. And when it comes to getting paid, it can vary from the day after to around 14 days after making a sale, depending on the marketplace. Alright, let's move on to our next exciting way to make money online, starting a dropshipping business. This low-cost business model allows you to sell products without handling inventory or shipping. It's perfect for beginners. With dropshipping, you'll be responsible for driving traffic and providing excellent customer service. The best part is that you can follow trends and sell trending products as they emerge. It's all about being nimble and staying ahead of the game. Setting up your own dropshipping store and sourcing vendors can take just a few hours. And when it comes to receiving payments, expect a waiting period of around 5 days after selling a product. Alright folks, let's move on to our next money-making opportunity, becoming an online tutor. If you have expertise in subjects like biology, math, or languages, you can earn income by helping students online. It's a rewarding side gig. Tutoring platforms make it easy to find students who need your assistance. You can also set up a simple website and leverage social media and peer recommendations to drive traffic and signups. It's all about showing your knowledge and skills. The effort level for tutoring depends on how many students you take on, but don't worry, it's a great way to share your knowledge and make a positive impact. As for getting paid, it varies depending on how you bill your students. Before you embark on your tutoring journey, make sure that you meet the requirements set by freelance sites. They often require proof of your subject matter expertise, and keep in mind that there might be transaction fees on tutoring platforms. To become a successful online tutor, you need a solid understanding of the subject matter. That also includes any necessary licenses or diplomas required by each platform and subject. So be prepared and always stay ahead of the curve. Alright, last but not the least, let's talk about podcasting. It's a booming industry with millions of listeners worldwide. If you have a great voice, love to talk, and have something interesting to share, podcasting can be a fantastic way to make money online. As you build your following, there are many ways to monetize your podcast. You can explore sponsorship deals, offer premium content, accept donations and tips, or even sell merchandise to your fans through an online store. It's like running your own audio empire. Just keep in mind that building a following will require time and effort, but with dedication and attention to feedback, you can grow your podcast and start reaping the rewards. It's all about connecting with your audience and delivering valuable content. And don't forget the technical side of things. You'll need some audio recording equipment like a professional microphone and editing software to polish your episodes. And don't worry, there are plenty of podcast services where you can host and distribute your show. Remember, the online world is full of opportunities, just waiting for you to seize them. And that's a wrap on our ultimate guide to making money online in 2023. If you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable content on making money and managing finances.